On this cold, windy February morning, Josephine Faddick gets in her daily 5-mile walk along Yarrow Beach in Winthrop. A day not too different than one particular walk in early January.
As I remember, it was pretty windy. I think we had just had a storm.
With any ocean storm, the sea can reveal many mysteries. So when Josephine stumbled upon this strange-looking contraption on the beach, a mysterious journey of her own was about to begin.
Obviously, this orange cover is a flotation device, too, so it must have floated off the ocean and then landed in a pile of seaweed, and I saw the corner of it, and I was curious about what it was.
Seems Josephine had found an adventurous windsurfer's lost GoPro camera.
The first footage was a windsurfer getting his sail up, and this thing must have been attached to the top of his sail.
There's nearly 40 minutes of sailing video, a timestamp revealing it was taken the same day as Josephine's January walk. But with no name and no contact info anywhere, the mystery only deepened.
That was the first thought in my head was, I gotta find this guy.
Posting pictures of the unknown Winthrop windsurfer on Facebook came up empty. Even connecting with the local kitesurfing community was a dead end. But Josephine says other walks have led to interesting finds, and this quest will continue until the lost is found.
Other than like driftwood and like maybe some cool sea glass, this is by far like the best find. And I'm just hoping to get it back into the owner's hands.
So if you think you know the identity of this mystery mariner, reach out to us here at the station and we'll get you in contact with Josephine. In Winthrop, I'm Doug Meehan, WCVB News Center 5.